guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, aka Frizzpop, and we're back with another video. This is my 1 month mini twist update. Yeah, I've had them in for about a month now, and I was gonna take them out, redo them for another month, but that really seemed like counterproductive because then I'll be putting more strain on my hair just to get the same style. I'll just leave them in for another month. You can redo them if you want to, you know, it's your hair. I just don't see the point. For this video, I'm just going to show you what my hair looks like now, how I've maintained it, and made sure that it had a minimal frizz as possible. As you can see, my twists still look fine. They look good. I mean, not to toot my own horn, but I kept up with my routine that is uploaded on my channel. You can look up here in the cards as well for my actual first mini twist video. And I kept up with oiling my scalp as well as making sure to water my hair. And in doing that, as well as keeping my scarf on in the house. If I'm not leaving, nobody needs to take off their scarves, leave them on. Leaving my scarf on, watering my hair, and oiling my scalp kept my twist looking like this after a month on type 4 hair. Here's one side, here's the other side, the front. Here is what the back of my hair looks like. Here is one of my back twists, stretched all the way out. I don't know what my hair looks like stretched, but that was it elongated while in a twist. It's about mid of my back. But that was pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys that you can keep this style for a long time. Yes, there is frizz, but that's expected after a month. After the second month, we'll see what happens, but it should still look pretty decent. The only thing I've noticed is definitely because of the wild growth oil, my roots are starting to grow, which is a good thing. That was the whole purpose of these twists. I wanted to grow out my hair without a whole lot of tension and manipulation. And this is a very low manipulation style. I'm gonna have it for 2 months, about the length of wearing some braids without adding weave, which could help shedding and all that stuff. Definitely got some growth on these roots. The roots are very puffy for all of my twists, and you can see more so the actual frizz here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Send me videos if you do mini twists to my Instagram, somewhere up here. Definitely follow me on Instagram. Make sure, you know, follow me. I don't know. Also make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell because I am a small YouTuber. I don't think y'all get notifications when I post. So make sure you turn on the notification bell so you guys can see anytime I post and make new content. Like this video and make sure to comment anything you would like to see as well. Bye.